my name is iiqrah and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video, finally. Before I tell you what this video is about, I want to congratulate us with 300 subs, 300 people subscribed. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I already mentioned this in my live stream. That's something that I started doing. But yeah, if you are watching this and haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Any sort of engagement helps a lot with the algorithm. Also, shout out to Algernon. Thank you for being my patron. Now, this video was totally unplanned. I was sitting in my sofa. This call came up and they were like, "Are you expecting a package from America?" And then I went outside and I got this, which is sitting right in front of me. Basically, I'm a GitHub Campus expert. Now, if you don't know what a GitHub Campus expert is, I will try to link resources or at some point make a video. But for today, just take my word for it that I'm a GitHub Campus expert, right? So I work with GitHub Education team and my campus team to coordinate hackathons, tech events, and things of that sort. But recently, because of the pandemic, they started a Twitch channel, twitch.tv/GitHub Education. Go follow if you haven't already. So they started this new thing called GitHub Stream Team, and they were asking GitHub Campus experts to apply with a show idea, and then we'd come on every week for 12 weeks and stream for them. So I applied with my idea and I got selected. Woohoo! Because I got selected for the stream team, I got a delivery for Stream Team swag. So that's what we're gonna unbox today. I'm really excited. The box is quite big. And my mom, more than me, my mom, my dad are more excited for me to unbox this and actually show them what's inside. I already rambled for way too long, but okay, let's actually do it, okay? So I'm gonna show you the box and then we're gonna unbox. So the box is right in front of me and it's actually quite big. I don't know how to show it to you without ruining my setup. No, wait. Will you be able to see my address? No, I need to get it around. Okay. So this is the box. It's quite big. I have my knife. I don't know if that's against community guidelines, but I have a knife over here, which I'm gonna use to unbox and I'll show you what's inside. Let me find a better angle and I'll be back. Okay, hi everybody, I'm here. I don't know if you can see me, but this is the best angle I could work with. Yeah, I'm just gonna go for it. Whoa! It looks really good! Oh my god, the box is so cool. Wait, I'll show you. Okay, time to do you see this? Look how cool that is! It looks like that Harry Potter kind of vibe, right? Okay. Ta-da! Woohoo! GitHub sign! Yeah. Oh my god. Now, if you don't know what GitHub is, it's basically if you version control your software, it's just a place where you store those version control files. But it's more than that. It's just become a developer platform. It says clone for branch commit. Those are version control / GitHub terms. I don't know if my audio is cracking up. This is the box. Ooh, here it says, "Welcome to the Stream Team." Let me just figure out how to open it, right? Box. Whoa, okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. The first thing that I see is a bag, and the stuff is inside the bag. Okay. It smells of plastic. I don't know why. Oh, the bag is quite cool because it says, Stream Team, GitHub Education Stream Team, and it's like a sports bag. I don't know, that's the best way I can describe it. It has a tag called Apex Duffel. Okay, so it's a duffel bag. Now let's see what's inside the bag. Just go right. Whoa! Okay. I got this as the first thing. Let's exactly see what this is. My best guess is that it's a banner of some sort, GitHub Education Stream Team banner. So, yeah, I was right. No, was I? Yeah. It's like a flag. Maybe I could put this at the background of my streams. Who knows? Nice. Then you have a t-shirt. No, it says my name at the back. How cool. That's my GitHub handle, by the way, if anyone wants to follow me on GitHub. It's pretty much my GitHub, my handle on most social media. It looks like a football jersey. And then, there's also a hoodie. So excited. It's so soft. It's so soft. And then it has this patch. The material is really soft, by the way. And it says GitHub Education over here. We're not done. Oh, stickers. Octocat stickers. Let's see if there are any Stream Team stickers. I think this is the Stream Team one. Yes, we code. And there's a box. Wow. So there's a box. Inside that, there was a bag. And now inside the bag, there's another box. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. I already have this, I think. Unboxing time. Woohoo! Oops. Okay. It's one of those like iPhone boxes. Ta-da! Oh, it's just... okay. You wanna see it? Ta-da! Oh my god, it's a bigger one. I have like a tiny Mona cat, but this is so much bigger compared to what I have. Nice. This is so nice. This is actually so cute. Yay, a Mona cat figurine. I love cats, by the way. This is basically a hybrid of a cat and an octopus. And you just like mount it. Cute, right? Yeah, pretty sure that's all. Ooh, it says the North Face. The North Face. And there's like ton of blue and green paper. Nice. I'll see if I can make something out of this. Like any DIY project. So we got a statue, the bag, which is really good quality, tons and tons of stickers, a jersey, a hoodie, which is really good quality, it's so soft, and the GitHub Education Stream Team banner. Okay, so that's all the stuff that's in the box. Let me actually go and change into this and see how it looks. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! So this is my new hoodie. It's so soft. So it has the logo and it has this patch. Makes me feel really cool, like part of a team, like a sports team. It looks really nice, right? I don't know. I like the color. It's not black, but it's also like not a bright color. And let me show you the jersey. So, ta-da! And my name. I hope you can see the sleeve. It says Stream Team, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna wear my hoodie again because it's so soft. This hoodie is really soft. I don't know if I've mentioned that already. Thank you, GitHub, for all this free things that you gave me. I hope my stream show goes well. Kind of nervous about it, but hope it goes well. It's gonna start in like 2-3 weeks. Please come watch. Please show some love. Again, twitch.tv/GitHub Education. That's pretty much it. I'll keep you posted about when the stream releases and when the timings are, who the guests are, etc. Do subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video. I mean, this was a pretty random video. I don't really do these kind of videos. Dislike it if you thought this was an extremely boring video. I know this was like a light-hearted video. Pretty materialistic. I don't know. Materialistic, superficial. Superficial is the word. I don't know. But it's not that I'm not aware of the fact that, things are bad in this world right now. The pandemic is still going on. In some countries, things have gotten much worse than the scenario was a few weeks, months back. So I just hope all of you take care of yourself, take care of your family. Hopefully we'll get through this pandemic soon. It's been over a year. But yeah, take care of yourself. That's the most I can ask. Okay, that's all. Okay, bye! Okay, ready? I haven't done this in such a long time. Let's go to the moon! Okay, whatever. Okay, let's do this. Is this a good angle?